Amiase. Inchewe, akwana bejina dodo afanwa oko usuru.
Oh. At least was about 2000.
Yeah, no.
2000 so the at least a bit made you watch about 4 times.
You be this
don't worry. 2000 a bit made you watch about 4. You had you not rich. If you ask you on Sika. Sika to many pie and no maybe a home.
Yeah.
Sika. Andy, who supported Chelsea? Who was a Chelsea share you, Marie? Met your office why? And I ate radio na 50 show. Se Chelsea lose wa. Obet you 2000. I forgot it. I see you be at 3000, 5000. Andy no Chelsea you know. I say hey, se sika be mu de ene.
In the enko bargains.
Oko. Just say na emo wakra.
Hey, asebo Andy.
Se 50 say obet you 2000. I dey atwo de ene.
Uncle Baggies, not Chelsea, Lucy.
Because
trophy, no.
Obenyeska. If you say,
this get me, no. Wow.
Sika. Abo Sika. Rich. Eri enfant to fomboko na yemko yenim. Ejebo, ejenya bedru. Abranti efeno Lamine Yamal. I extended a contract with Barcelona till 2031. Na sani eno ayeka no. It is expected say ojitum na bibia akose na ewo say kwa. Next season he will wear the number 10 jersey for Tima yefene Barca. Na Rich for Omo Muti and Omo Moshe, no. Maybe you've heard the story somewhere. But because ene Lamine Yamal, ne contract extension obia can answer me no. Let me bring you back the story. Nasa onte danswa. Ode you assume ne story way. If you can join us on Facebook, you will enjoy it better. Rich. Ewiase we are away. Rich, any rich family bia wonim bia, it started from someone. Abusia bia wonim say, ye ka wema busia dia, omu wo sika, ana wema busia dia, omu wo a certain talent bi no. Rich, it started from one person. Story na Lamine Yamal chro no. Any the way obia didi hu no. Rich. It started from someone, one person. And enkofo bebre etipena they are surprised. Say, ye di football nkomo. Na the start of this story is from obia one share. You will not even assume say no starting story you know. Rich. I know who's that video we. Lamine Yamal papa. Ebedru office wa.
Chairman guy.
Omo ba be sign contract. No say. No be obeko sign contract ka pursue to be an say. Something gentle be. What show jeans sauce and show sneakers. Attitude auto. Me also say was a chakaka.
When an anti-gra.
Yes.
So you smoky guso. Or they tusso.
But Rich, this man you see here all started from this woman. Mamia Oda Yetatika Bodisi. Your friend Fatima. This picture was taken Barca against Real Vallecano. Oba Stadium, so Oba Behe and Nana. She is the grandmother of Lamine Yamal. Now, Rich, the story starts with honor. In the early 40s, and I said, you win Africa for ye tie etu kwan kwa abochire. Na ye konyina ya dwenya se kodipa. Rich. Fatima alone, Oba, moved from Morocco to Spain. Onibibia, then enter Spain. Rich, according to her, also through Spain, no, Sika na akawan ensem could only afford a bus ticket. And onya bus, eko baby a. Na what did in come say, oh, I had your bar. Majority of Morocco for omo aba Spain no. Se uba no when you to tatantana op baby at na oba ha. At least ubenya Morocco ni bia. Uba be sia no so na watch your kwan abefa so be settle in. And the only money left on her when Odu Spain was the bus ticket to baby. Na ya chere no rich. Nhyira Okoye. Senior many Africans will tell you their story. Rich, you know me, mamma, money, papa, momuko abuchira. Majority of them, I do more ye some nursing home. No matter living, the offending living, US no. Oko you come from social work. Enti, if ye na agency biaje, na or the aged, any or more retarded or more mental issues kakra. Near the Moguanti categories. Tukwa as a nursing mom, ye trenu kakra na also swasho mobi. That was it. My story, not to say a normal story. I wouldn't Africans say you to a quanqua butcher, Yakoyena. Now, Rich Oko Spain, baby, as a Morocco for Netino. I hear Oko Fonda, Sacruno. Nti eho ma minister ti se onya sika kakra o settle no no se ebrewe do no nko ntimi mbre wo jana busiafo e wo Morocco. So do you know what the woman did? Obobo sika no ne first move and so we go back to Morocco no akofa ne elder son Abdul and odine ba Spain. Rich Okofa Abdul Baye, only Abdul Susube Kakra, and ne ba otosumienu, Munir Okofa ne baye. Munir no ena today, oye Lamine Yamal papa no. Enti oye the second son to Fatima Lamine Yamal ne grandmother no. Munir baye no, Rich, Obo Brana no Okoshia Sheila. Lamine Yamal bame. Ono susu ye African ofi Equatorial Guinea a ono susu buna ketem abepie o Spain a ono so ede obrade ba be wiso a ena omu hia empranchi mu a Rich ena omu wo Lamine Yamal in 2007 July. Now Rich, before omu be wo Lamine Yamal Mune na Sheila Africa for much Spain. Ababoni unko ye. But they've met. And on my chimpan on my wine no muti chromo. Rich. Don't be declared the mom. The Abaka to a money say, Omo the current, Omunti Mintia. Enti Omufira ebe to Omo. Omucho many Omu who be Omon Fanfa. And they had two friends. Couple no. They were two friends. Two friends, you know, Bakudi and the Lamine, Bakudi and the Yamal. And I'm say, oh, Morent to the Munticho, I'm say, yeah, I'm now for four. And then now for the Munu, a classic Kabomu, and all the man, Mona and the so, Munina French Morent. Rich, do you know, say, Lamine Yamal Nidino is coming from those two friends now, and one name I mean in the papa. Ema muti omu rent no because na bossa ne maame ne papa de asa na for ade ama ye ni asopa na ye ni hwe a ye betimi di adam ase ne ye wo ba de a ye beto mo badin so mo wo abrantie no then they name them after their two friends until Lamine Yamal nyini pa ba ko din e ye omo na fofo ni mienu ba ko Lamine ba ko Yamal e na omo kabo mu e na omo de to abrantie no na won sa picture na Messi ejare Lamine Yamal rich interestingly Barcelona charity ena omo ya raffle say omo pe mame ene akra na omo na a photo shoot for mu charity work and this omo say we are nominated mu enter into a raffle and I say ade we dey me enter then she won and she winning here no out of the photo shoot plan no was say Barcelona be one of omo players to come na wabe jare akraketwa no wetine mame then they chose Lionel Messi to do that and so when Lamine Yamal the picture in here which I lotto and I yeto and abrantie ne mame e win here and Messi then 20 years oko jare no rich according to the story anche and Lamine Yamal mame e finish a movie to North Barcelona called McDonald's. And a colleague be or Juma say Obano or you interested in football and me papa or run some coast community club be. Ewo hono me friend Torata. Say Obano you interested in there. Makes me a man starting what training no. Rich Lamine Yamal went there 4 years. Now almost at age 4. Born an abraham. You could clearly see say he will be special. Ubejeni said 2 years pe. NOD was our local club and a Barcelona scouts. Ebe wunu nti Barcelona scout ehu Lamine Yamal no. No we 6 years. Rich. Then the story grows today. Lamine Yamal 6 years at La Masia and ne wa grow wa Spanish under 17 wa a European Championship for the Spain national team and he's a core member of the Barcelona team while extending the contract and the details of the contract till 2031 with all the bonuses any Bibiano rich he becomes Barcelona and highest earner in terms of players now omo Asia kan ama club no and senior common koso Bibiano highly contender for the Ballon d'Or any all the individual awards aka rich. We are going to see more of this guy. But the story no too touching. And it is an African story. It is an African story.
No wonder so boss is Lionel Messi. Because Messi ni jare no.
Though Abantiano a Spanish album, but it is a typical African story. A story we can all relate our community. Obi etu kwan kwa aboche, okwa weswa, obese na busuafo akọ, na all of a sudden rich almost struggle no Nyankopon ehia omo na diamond bi epiem ba omo nyina edi ne so far. So that is the story of Abanti friend Lamine Yamal and year animu. Rich, there's an update on Abanti friend Matthias Cunha. And man you be nyano. But there's a little problem. I'm doing this story for Collins in Ketia. Rich, yes, Matthias and Unum. One thing I love about the South Americans, and they say, Rich, Omo is so ambitious to the extent say, they be a member European, they make sure their contract give them exit. Because baby Omo any so I didn't know. They don't want a brand new contract. Eshemu say, Saube trigger a release clause now. You must pay the money in 2 years. Also, Enti monkoshe contract ni mu yie na samo trigger na mon trigger bibia wa hu bia anya samo trigger sika no na emom no sene wo se mutia no na mutia ne sene emom pe nti rich asema you as akona chibiem if they will agree to pay the 62.5 million no in 2 installments and I say in 2-year installment send your one contract in they will agree if they want an extension it'll be okay so obviously 25 years there and you have 70 and I say baby so that is why at the end of and then you
na Emery
Chelsea elbow Betis na menhyɛ ni asɛm bebree ɛka ɛwɔ saa match wei Rich uchi omutaya it's an European final and two teams no mabedru ho ni nyina no Rich they want to win it for team friend Betis Rich the reason why you can't underrate them is because of this man
Manuel Pellegrini.
Oh yeah, experienced gaffer. Very traveled. It is a sebi ochi a rocky coach be say Enzo. Rich, you must be careful with the way I would do GDA ever say Enzo because he is coming up against very experienced coach as a Pellegrini. And that is why I think say Chelsea for no muntie break kakra. Rich, beside Pellegrini, this season, Real Betis, they've not fared bad. Fine, I know they've do all merits. They've played one of the best footballs in a conference league. And they do more about Drew. Now, and no more training. Look at Gobia, Cedric Bakambu, Eshaya, and you could clearly see so many abre. Before I move to Chelsea and conclude, no Rich. Ubejedi say in the last 9 European club finals, Spanish club, any English club, abono. Rich English clubs ni win the last 9.
Okay.
See, both finals of an European club competition as a conference, so say Europa, say Champions League. Now say 2 clubs no mobile final no. Baku free Spain, no Baku free England. Rich the last 9 England for new win. And that is very serious for club and friend Chelsea. Meaning if you know be Chelsea favorite. And the reason why Enzo Maresca will be laughing and they say, oh, did you say name medal way, I'm no modibe coffee. And Rich, this is Chelsea in their last 4 finals in Europe. Their last 4, do final, they show that they have what it takes to win it. And that is Chelsea for you, Rich. And again, when you there, now, minim why all omu air putting up Chelsea. Omu probably 11, no. Rich, omu nyina Elivi Pedro Neto out our bench. But I think it's now even this weekend, go na Chelsea share omu e qualify for the Champions League no. And then Neto cross na ko head share. So about wingers now, and as a wing forwards now. He is the best, but Obia living out. I don't know whether information be omu and I say BBDR. But Rich, this is the Chelsea team I expect so many bedroom. And this is the Real Betis team. Unim, my conclusion here. Under normal circumstances, the BIA, a big game be about Subiano. Rich, we go with the favorites. But Rich, since I drew, say about finals. This season, you know, it has never gone with the favorites. Manchester, Barcelona, Mano. And even the FA Cup final, Man City, Crystal Palace. Look at what happened. Rich, between Chelsea and Betis team way this season, one of my ball conference league, you know. In terms of the gap, not and to Arsenal and Man in Barcelona and Podiano. But you both game new year, not Arsenal manage Champions League now. Every Barcelona man is Rich. There seems to be something happening this season.
Okay.
I say, wow, your favorite, you don't win.
Right.
And Mrs. say, and we and then you may be the same thing. Chelsea a huge favorite, but Rich, sir, spirit we now at TSC this season finals, muno. And my favorite in the meantime can be my because. Winning, they are favorite on paper, but about games now they can't win. Rich, I expect Real Betis so I'm mobile lifted trophy against Chelsea. So turn in the course on the air corner. Chelsea favorite, but they will not win.
Okay, I say, Yami had much number 2000. Me de babo me ho bra Nti amen. Na bibia anya fine. All right, yɛmfa mmerɛ fi na Black Stars